हाय एवरीवन, आई एम दिव्या जैन और आज हम एक बात करने वाले हैं इन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हाउ टू गेट एआई टूल्स इन प्रो इन अ लेजिटिमेट वे. Why I'm talking about this? I received a message today which said AI Pro tools at a very cheaper rate. At first I got doubt whether it is this genuine or not. But then I asked this person directly. I'll show you the conversation, but yes, obviously without the mobile number because that's not publicly allowed. I won't like to share that. Okay, so first thing is the conversation which happened with this person. Okay, so this is the conversation which happened with this person. So I asked him directly whether this message is genuine or not. Okay, so this is my conversation. He shared his LinkedIn profile as well, which I don't doubt it is his profile. Okay, now let me show you the message he sent me. This is the message. There is a group which I am into, and this is the message. These are the prices he was offering. If you read more on this, there are more offers which seem very attractive because these are very low rates as compared to what is mentioned on their websites. But I was doubting, so I did two things. One, I checked that LinkedIn profile which he sent me. Now I doubt this is the same person. Why? Because there is no profile pic. Okay, so my LinkedIn profile is premium, so I can really check the profiles of the LinkedIn. Now, this profile seemed very professional to me, so that means this person knows how to create LinkedIn profile. But then, how come he forgot to add his picture? Okay, in any case, maybe I am not able to see his picture. However, that may not be the case. But let's assume that. So I checked on ChatGPT about the message he sent. At first, I checked that whether these kind of pro versions are genuine or not. Okay, if you see here, I asked this ChatGPT question that is it possible to offer these platforms at a very low rate? What it answered, there are legit ways where people use their team versions, their team licenses or group licenses with other people, and they charge for that. That is fine. But then there are illegitimate ways also. How to differentiate if the person is charging too low a price? That means it is not genuine. Okay, of course there are other ways also, but then I asked second question. Okay, in case it is this message, I typed his message, I copied his message, I typed in here that this is the message I received and these are the pricings. Now what do you say? So it said this is the exact type of message extremely common right now, and 90% of sellers offering such huge discounts are not genuine. Why? Prices appear too low to be real. Perplexity Pro cost 2000 per month officially. Here it is 1499 for 1 year. It is too low a pricing, right? So this much huge discount is not possible. Second, it said own email activation is a marketing trick. Some sellers add you fake educational domains, shared admin accounts, cracked licenses. Okay. Now, many tools like Perplexity, Adobe, LinkedIn, Canva, Edu, Amazon Prime, ChatPRD, Google AI, Microsoft Office, they do not have reseller or team programs. How is he sharing? Okay, so that was again a mind opener for me. And you know, you can also see this is cracked version. So initially it will work, but after few months it will stop working. So it's a scam. Okay, so I advise whenever you want to go for pro versions of AI or any tool, you should opt for genuine versions rather than going for these scams. Always check before spending or investing your money. I've also burned money in the past and I don't want you to burn money, and that's how I am sharing this video. Thank you all for watching me.